Images which are showing on your screen, basically these are AI generated. I have generated these images which are looking realistic, and you can also edit it, and according to your optimization it will work according to you. So hello everyone, in the field of AI recently we are seeing a latest update, and this one is from Flux 2. Flux is one of the most open source model which is known for its image generation models. It is a completely open source model. So yeah, they have launched their initially they launched their Flux 1, and now they are launch their second model which is known as Flux 2. Basically this one is new and latest model. So if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and turn on bell icon. AI related videos I bring regularly on my channel. So let's dive into it and discuss regarding Flux 2 and how the image generation is possible. So yeah, initially I showed you the images are completely realistic with optimization features, and you can easily modify it. And the means various types of effects also you can see, like sunrise or sun lightning effects and shadow effects and various types of effects. It is looking completely real. It is not looking like a realistic. It is looking like some professional cameraman has clicked the photos. But yeah, this is looking very much professionally. But Flux 2 has provided an editing feature also, means you can optimize your image as well as according to your customization. For example, at top you can see find a leaf from winter season it is converted to autumn, or from autumn to winter. Like this you can provide any type of effects also, means you can edit images also. Although the models which are like example Nano One and their API are completely paid, and they are trained on huge amount of data set, and they are not publicly available, the models. But Flux 2 is completely available, so you can use in your own startup if you are trying to build. Although APIs are very much costly as compared to hosting your own model, but yeah, you need to maintain also. So yeah, you can find this cat image also. It is also generated using Flux 2, but it is also looking very much realistic. The effects and the various types of lightning and the shadow effects are completely worth it, I think. So yeah, this model is very much pretty cool for in order to use in any type of image generation, or you are building any type of startup on AI based. For example, if you are making a startup related to PPT generation, so you can find this type of effects also. But this one is one of the best model, I think so. But I hope so this model will be plays a crucial role, and it will further optimize in the field of open source. But image generation are pretty cool. So let's dive into the architecture of this model, because the architecture is based on, I think so, it is based on diffusion model only. The transformer architecture. So the diffusion model plays a crucial role for this type of video generation as well as image generation. So let's discuss about this model architecture. Although this model is you can find on their GitHub repo as well as Hugging Face, because it is an open source model, so you can find its weights also. So this is the architecture of this model, because it is uses the attention mechanism, and it is 22 billion parameter layers with QK normalization with parallel. So due to which it is able to optimize further and can generate response according to it. Basically it is 22 billion parameter model, so you can host in 80 GB RAM VRAM properly with if you have a GPU. But in locally also you can run it just by optimizing using quantization techniques. This will play a crucial role, and it is an encoder layer with a parallel and architecture MLV blocks, means with the help of this you can generate images, I think so. This can generate realistic images using just by clip emitting. But this one is the model, I think so it will be pretty cool, and it will be helping features for various types of startup also. But yeah, this one is a code you can find on your their official GitHub repo, where you will get how to install locally on your PC for generating this type of realistic models, and use it using the Hugging Face transformer. But this model you can install locally and use if you have huge amount of compute power. For example, VRAM 80 GB approximately I have seen there, but you can use quantized version of it related to 4-bit or 16-bit or 8-bit. And this is the model you can find on the Hugging Face. Welcome to Flux 2 PFL new open image generation model. The images generation using the Flux 2 is completely realistic and very much pretty cool. I have tried it, so you can also just go and try for this. but the realistic images are very pretty much cool and realistic, and you can modify. The editing feature is latest in open source field, because earlier there is one models which can edit the image further. But yeah, I hope so you love this video. So don't forget to share, and AI related videos I bring regularly on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe. See you in next another video with next AI topic. Bye bye.